Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Worldview Inside Car.
Today we will talk about how to drive a manual car. So for this, first I will show you how to change the gears. Let's see the gearbox here. Like here we see R, which means reverse, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The way to change it, like press the clutch and then go completely left and then go up. This is the first gear, and then when you bring it completely back, this is the second. Now the car is in the second gear. Now if we want to change from second to the third gear, just go up in the middle and then one step more. Now the car is in the third gear. In the same way, bring it completely back. Now it's in fourth, and now if we want to go to the fifth, then we have to go completely right and up. Now the car is in the fifth gear. In the same way, if we have to do the neutral, then just bring it in the middle. Now the car is neutral, means the car have no gear. The next is like if we need to reverse the car, then we just have to press it down completely left and up. Now we are ready to go reverse. This gearboxes or this way of changing gear is different depending upon the car models, and it can be slight difference, but more or less it's similar. Now we will show you how to start the car from the first gear, how to start it in a smoother way so there is no jump and the car is not stalling or the car is not turning off. For this we will show you the trick. Yeah, now you see on the left hand side we have the clutch, and in the middle we have the brake pedal, and to the right we have the race pedal, or also called gas pedal. So today we will show you how to start the car smoothly. So first we will just start the car engine. Yeah, then we'll see in the mirror, behind, shoulder, and it's also fine if you give the signal. Take off your brake and handbrake and just press the brake if it's you think it can move forward. Now we will put the car in the first gear. Now the car is in the first gear, and now you see the movement of my left foot, which is on the clutch pedal, to not to completely leave it, otherwise the car will have a jump or it will turn off. So the trick is to just release it really calm in a very slower way, that there is a point that the car starts moving automatically. Like now when you leave the more, you see that the car is moving on its own without using the race. We can see it here, the windshield, that we have not used the race and the car is moving. We will show it once again, this trick. Camera again, like here you can see we have completely pressed the clutch and press the brake, so the car cannot move and the car is not moving now. Now you see I will start releasing the clutch very slowly, to reach that point, that significant point where the car can move on its own slowly. Like here when I move here, and then the same way I take off the brake pedal also, and here when I release, I feel the movement in the car, and you can also see in the windshield that the car is moving. Now in the same way I just start with the race or the gas pedal, and then I switch from first to the second, and then it's really smooth, like there is no jump in the car. Yeah, so that's it. And now you can see here 3 pedals. To the left we have the clutch, and then in the middle we have brake, and then towards the right we have the race. So now we will tell you the trick how to start the car smoothly in a first gear. We already have started our engine, so just press clutch, put the first gear, and then we just have to leave the clutch slowly in such a way that the car does not fumble or does not jump. So just see the movement of the foot carefully, that we are trying to release very slow, and we already feel the movement of the car. And there is a certain point, like exactly here, we see the car is moving here. Now we can just press on the race pedals for some time, and then when you have to change the gear again, just go again, put the second gear, and then switch it to the race. And this is how it